Welcome to the Cuarto Journal. Today's episode will once again be a cooking video, and we are featuring our pan-seared steamed tilapia, which is super simple and easy, achieved with only a few ingredients. Let's get started! To start, thinly slice your garlic. And chop your onions as well. Then chop your cherry tomatoes in half. Then chop your coriander leaves. If you don't have any, you can use parsley or spring onion. Then also thinly slice your lemongrass. Then cut your ginger into julienne slices. For the fish, you may also use either sea bream, sherry, or sultan Ibrahim, or any other fish of your choice, but today we will be using tilapia. To start, just simply season each side with salt and pepper. Now we can begin cooking. So add extra virgin olive oil to your pan. And then add your fish. Just cook it until it turns brown. This is additional, but you can also add chili flakes. Then add your can of sliced pineapple, including the juice. After that, just lower the heat and let it steam. Then begin adding your aromatics, which are the tomatoes, garlic, ginger, onion, lemongrass, and coriander leaves. Then add salt and pepper to taste. And also additional olive oil. Then just cover it with a lid to further cook it.
After
a while, check if the fish is already tender. If it is, then we're finally done. So this concludes our 5th episode. I hope you learned a thing or two from us. Please support our channel by liking this video and subscribing down below. We will post more fun videos about our family, lifestyle, food, and travel. See you on the next episode. Bye!